Welcome to SimplyRideUSA.com. Today we have a pre-owned 2021 Honda CBR300R. This sport bike has just under 3,100 miles on it and has been through our 25-point inspection. So let's take our walk around it, we'll show it to you, and then we'll fire it up for you. This CBR is all stock. Tires on it are in good shape, got some decent miles still left on them. We've got one little mark on this right-hand mirror. Tells me probably hit the garage wall. I don't find anything else on the side of this bike that tells me it tipped over. And again, same with the rear tire, good shape, plenty of life left in that. Now this bike did sustain a tip over on the left-hand side, but it's really minor. So I didn't really find anything on the body. We've got a couple of scrapes on the end of the bar end. The lever got it, and the edge of the mirror got it, as well as the edge of the front signal. Kind of hard to show there. Let's see if I can get out of the light. There we go. So, really minor though, so very, very minimal damage. All right. Come on. 3,031 miles is what's on this bike. This 2021 Honda CBR300R is a pre-owned motorcycle, which means it's been through our 25-point inspection. Thank you for shopping SimplyRideUSA.com.